Good evening, my name is Daryl and this is my first time making a YouTube video. I hope you all will like it. I have yet to decide what my channel name would be, but everything will have to start with something, right? So here goes nothing. So most of the videos that I plan to make will be revolving using certain programming language to resolve day-to-day issues during work. So for today's topic, what I would like to do is, okay, me being a civil engineer, working day to day, right, we have to deal with a lot of CAD drawings. So one example is when you see on the bottom right of this folder list, what I have are some CAD files that I created. Often when you create a CAD file, there will be an equivalent BAK file being generated. So normally these kind of generated files, right, they are quite big, almost as big as the DWG extension of it. So in this case, I've written a code where in Python it helps me um, find similar extensions, file with similar extension, tabulate it, and save it in a generated CSV file and in the folder as you can see here. So this one basically will be generated. For now, I'll just delete it. Okay, so what would happen right now, right, is I'll just do a demonstration and you all can see what is happening with the software that I've written. So what you see here is basically on the top right corner. This is it's basically because I've written this in Python, so it's very raw. I didn't do any kind of GUI interface, GUI. So graphic user interface. So let's say in this case, I'll just start doing the example. So what you can see is I actually try to copy out this link down here, paste it into the directory that you see here. They ask you for a root folder. I just press enter. So once I copied this link, inside this folder, we can see that there's a BAK file there. So and that has the same name as a DWG. So what I can do is I just key in BAK. Then basically that one is the one that you're planning to delete. So the reference file extension, which has the exact same file name, would be DWG. Okay, this one, right, is not the one that you plan to delete. So the good thing about this program is I've written in a way that you can choose whether you want to delete it or not. So normally I would advise is the first time round, don't delete it, just put false. So what this thing will do, right? Okay, so you notice that inside the center portion here, now there's a file summary. You can try this on your own. Because it's my first time making a YouTube video, it's a bit hard for me to control my screen. So there will be this file summary CSV where you can check what kind of files will appear, what kind of link. It will basically tell you something similar to exactly what here is showing. They will give you a source where the file is. You can always just copy this and put it inside the folder and find where is this file. Then this, right, what you see here is basically shown in bytes, not KB. So you have to do some conversion. So in this case, right, it's around 830 KB lah, which is consistent with the thing that you see down here. Okay, so this basically just tells you that it has tried to find all the files. Now you can exit. So you can just press enter again to exit the file, or you can just close the thing. So let's try another round. This time, right, we are planning to delete the file. Take note on the bottom right that the BAK will go missing later. Okay, I'll just copy the file link again here, paste it inside here. So when I press enter, they will tell you what file to find. So in this case, it will also be the BAK. The reference file that I want to match is DWG. This time I choose true. Okay, take note when I press enter, the BAK file will go missing. Yeah, because my computer isn't that proper, so it doesn't seem okay. So once I refresh the thing, right, it basically just removes. So this is basically the end of the demonstration where you can choose to delete what files that you want based on a certain extension. As long as it matches like what you see here, you will just delete. So that's the end of the demonstration. I have also prepared an executable file for people who are just purely wanted to use the software. And I will be also including my source code on GitHub. You all can just download in the link below, which I'll be including in the above the comment section. So thank you for watching this video. If you like these types of video, please like and subscribe. Um, Also, if you do have any more comments on what can be improved with this thing, you can leave the comments below. I'll try my best to work something out and improve it, showing in subsequent videos. Thank you.